Fishy on.
What you got there?
Catfish.
Alright. You over there on top of the water. I'm pulling up my pants here. I just put my gear on and trying to get Rich one. Oh, he's got a big cat coming in the current here. You see that cat out there? In the current, bud?
Yes, sir.
Big catfish.
How's that one feel?
Not taking any drag. I don't like that. Sorry.
What you got?
I don't understand why there's no drag going out.
Big old walleye.
Right in the line. Oh, we've got a big cat coming up in the current.
Nuggies.
How's that feel, boss?
It's tiring.
Catfish hunter, get the net here.
He's not gonna like the boat.
I don't like that. That's not taking drag, Ryan.
Oh, it's a cat. Big old cat.
Fish. Ryan, this is bigger fish than you.
I don't know about that.
Look at this guy battling this channel. He don't even know what he's got on here. Look at that sucker rolling out there. What a beautiful fish. Look at this fish. Doubled up the bait.
Double the pleasure,
Oh,
double the fun.
Get in that, brother. Oh. There you go. Biggest fish of your life, right?
Oh, yeah.
Look at that sucker.
Nice.
Yeah, buddy,
Nuggies.
We did it. We did it.
Oh, my goodness.
How's that? Let me see this thing. Oh, yeah, the drag's good and loose. Just not making any noise. All right. Look at him. Look at this guy. Come over here. Come over here. This is what it's all about right here, boys. Big monster channels.
Nuggies.
That's a big one. That's a monster.
That's what it's all about. Big old channel cats.
That's a big one, Ryan. Bigger.